बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे 21 अप्रैल 2024 के अखबार में। तो पहली जॉब है पोजीशन ओपन कराची अकाउंट्स आप ए प्रोग्रेसिव सर्विसेज कंपनी रिक्वायर फीमेल कम कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर having work experience of independently handling finalizing accounts with knowledge of tax returns, excellent in operation of Excel sheets and formulas, limited vacancies and some salary fringe benefits apply with CV and photograph last and expected salary email CV mpsguards@gmail.com WhatsApp CV 0300 822 3326 0300 822 3326. A reputable construction company requires an experienced accounts manager on urgent basis having sound knowledge of computer. Minimum qualification will be commerce graduate. Contact 0300 826 5581 0300 826 5581. Email info@goldline.com.pk info@goldline.com.pk. Export textile unit located in Korangi industrial area requires junior accountant, must have thorough knowledge of basic accounting procedures and principles, complete MS Office and ERP experience is must, minimum BCom or part qualified, ACCA/ICMA with 3 years in similar capacity and industry. Please send detailed CV with recent photo to assistant.account@1994 @gmail.com. A reputed export house in Karachi has vacancy for the following position. Number 1, senior accountant, capable of handling accounts independently, experience of finalization of accounts, monitor and control cash flow. Qualification ACCA or Inter CA experience, 5 years of experience in related field to accountant. Knowledge of bookkeeping/working with spreadsheet/sales and purchase ledger. Qualification BCom, 5 years experience. Should be computer literate. Age should not be more than 40 years. Apply in confidence with complete CV at email arintjob@gmail.com or send CV at Saima Trade Tower BB for box 11th floor, suite number 1103, IH Chandigarh Road, Karachi. Reputable organization requires senior accountant, education graduation in relevant profession, experience 3 to 5 years. Experience salary according to experience and qualification. Contact number 0300 8588 655 0300 8588 655. Email jobs@kph.org.pk jobs@kph.org.pk. Required accountant BCom. Interested candidates send complete CV at email address at jobs2013_2014 Required 5 years practical experienced accountant, assistant accountant and auditor must be proficient with MS Excel worksheets and be able to handle independently computerized accounting software. Email jobs@mohammadi-traders@gmail.com. A leading transport company requires a competent accountant in West Wharf Road. The qualification must be a minimum commerce graduate with 8 years experience, have good knowledge of accounts/tax matters and able to use accounting software. Interested candidates send their resume to race2021@gmail.com. Administration की जॉब है. A reputed school in Karachi requires a well-rounded academic coordinator and an efficient HR/admin manager. Applicants must be well versed in their respective fields and have a good command of English. HR/admin freshers are also eligible to apply. Interested candidates meeting our requirement may share their resume with us at staff pmwes@gmail.com pmwes@gmail.com. We are looking for a talented and experienced admin officer. As a front desk officer, you will play an important role in creating a positive first impression for our patients and visitors while handling various administrative tasks. Please email us your CV at recruitment_mh@yahoo.com. You may also WhatsApp at 0334441339. 0334441339. कंप्यूटर्स की जॉब है. मरीन सर्वे फ्रॉम firm requires female computer operator with sufficient spoken written English with good computer skills. Apply. park.kapt.alam@hendersonpark.org. pak.kapt.alam@hendersonpark.org. Engineering, a private company requires fresh electronic engineer. WhatsApp contact 0300 355 1891. 0300 355 1891. BE mechanical engineer with 2 to 3 years office environment experience required to work and carry out sales related costing works. Please email your CV at info@imeltd.org. info@imeltd.org. Urgently required mechanical/electrical engineer having minimum 3 years of relevant field experience. Fresh may also apply. Computer, MS Office. Literate, handsome package offered. Apply immediately to survey@career@gmail.com. General की जॉब है. A well-reputed steel manufacturer situated at Hub Chowki is looking for a storekeeper. Must be BCom with minimum 4 to 5 years working experience in the same capacity at factory. Share CV at hr.sc2023@yahoo.com or WhatsApp at 031456787779. 031456787779. No calls. Female MBA to work as assistant. Send CV with recent photo. WhatsApp 0300 8956883. 0300 8956883. jobs5013@gmail.com. Film company is looking for a movie script writer. Please contact 0213432342. 0213432342. Monday, Friday 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Need a fine art person. Experience at least 3 to 4 years. Must know about rugs production, outsourcing and making duplicate sculptures in wood, concrete and metal. Send your CV in details with passport size photo at Wasim Rahman. He's at yahoo.com. Wasim WASIM Rahman. He's at yahoo.com. WhatsApp 0324262685. 0324262685. Positions in training management, IT, accounting and marketing. Join our dynamic team at Consult and Train Private Limited as assistant manager operations. You will be responsible for client support, database management, marketing and administrative tasks. A master's degree in business management, finance or marketing coupled with proven experience in similar roles, preferably in the training or consultancy sector, is required. MS Office and strong communication skills are essential. At Consult and Train, you will enjoy a competitive salary package while working alongside a passionate team ready to join us. Apply now by sending your resume to info@consult-train.com and consultrain1988@gmail.com. Print, electronic and digital media advertising agency looking for client service officers. Field job. Apply. Email worldadvertising.group@gmail.com. Office location Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad. Required an office assistant. Qualified ladies for Clifton. Also boy, read and light. F for Fox 73/7 Block 4 Clifton. Contact 0321 925 8220. 0321 925 8220. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0333236859. 0333236859. Required male/female sub editor for a news agency. Qualification MA Mass Communication/IR having good command in MS Office. Send CV to write to hr@outlook.com. Required office assistant male/female, computer knowledge, MS Office Tower area. Resident preferred CV WhatsApp 032020008870 032020008870. Required shift manager for a well-reputed takeaway and delivery restaurant. Should be able to manage inventory/closing of a restaurant. Should have minimum of 5 years of experience in managing a home delivery and takeaway restaurant. Market competitive salary. Phone number 030217017860 030217017860. Email ginojanels@gmail.com. Spanish speakers required. Are you fluent in Spanish? We are seeking talented individuals proficient in Spanish for an exciting opportunity. Requirements: fluent in Spanish. English proficiency is a plus. Ability to work in Karachi 5 days a week. Benefits: competitive salary, attractive benefits, complimentary pick and drop. How to apply? If you are ready to join our dynamic team, please send your resume to careerskarachi24@gmail.com. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Apply now. We have few vacant positions available at a private school of Cambridge stream. Following for the position of receptionist and faculty members for class 1 to 4. We are looking for someone who is literate with the little, well organized and great at multitasking. Number 1, as a receptionist, you will be responsible for welcoming visitors, answering phone calls and assisting with administrative tasks. Number 2, as for the teaching faculty, the one who is interested in home teaching, bracket में लिखा हुआ है all subjects for class 1 to 3 and subjective teachers for class 4. If you are interested or know someone who might be a good fit, feel free to reach out for more details. Drop your CV at +92 303283814 +92 303283814. Location: Jamal Garden, Daud Chaurangi. Required: male assistant, account, data entry with salesman, male telephone operator. MA Jinnah Road, resident preferred. मोबाइल नंबर है 0334534453 0334534453. मैनेजमेंट की जॉब है. A private limited company dealing with oil and lubricants is currently seeking a talented sales manager who can deal in B2B and B2C. Location: DHA Phase 4, Karachi. Share your CV on WhatsApp 0331244788 0331244788. Join our research team. Data management officer. Education: bachelor's degree in computer science or information technology is preferred. We also welcome applicants with qualification in statistics, optometry or other related disciplines. Experience: 2 to 3 years experience in hospital research and data management. Additional certification: CRCP, clinical research certified programmer or certification in healthcare data management. Apply till April 27, 2024. Send your resume hr@aieh.pk for detail. 0333292436 0333292436. Website: www.aieh.pk. Location: Al Ibrahim Eye Hospital, Old Thana, Malir, Karachi. AIEH has a zero tolerance policy on harassment and violations of child safeguarding. Male/female social media manager. Having 5 years experience for ladies garments for Khalid bin Walid Road office 0334300052 0334300052. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0326939290 0326939290. टेलीफोन नंबर 0213431301 0213431301. एक और PTCL नंबर है 34536402 34536402. Product manager, Karachi. We are one of the fastest growing healthcare/pharmaceutical company having foreign collaboration dealing in innovative global brands through medical profession. Due to rapid expansion and diversification plans, we need top quality professional for the post of product manager with at least 2 to 4 years experience in cardiology/neurology and Diabetology doctors with pharmaceutical experience are preferred. Good presentation skills in depth in medical knowledge and proficiency in developing PowerPoint presentations in a prerequisite. We offer very congenial and professional work environment, market-based remuneration, and company-maintained car, provident fund, and other benefits. Email your CV resume with confidence to productmanager780@gmail.com. अच्छा जी, मल्टीपल की एक जॉब है, वो भी बता देती हूँ आप लोगों को। डॉन की ही है ये। A renowned private limited logistics company located at Main Shahrai Faisal requires the following staff: office assistant, goods declaration officer, shipping officer. Minimum qualification intermediate, male and female both can apply. Contact 0315009000, 0315009000. Email jobs@hi9@gmail.com, 0315009000. Hashim Distributors Private Limited and authorized distribution of Pakistan cables is seeking qualified staff for the accounts, dispatch and sales department. Share your resume at waqas.a@hashimdistributor.com. Import/account officers and data entry operators having at least 5 years experience are required. Apply to jobs at qasirbrothers.com. Urgently required position vacant for reputable organization. Number 1 academic head, number 2 chef, chief instructions bracket में लिखा हुआ baking and culinary, number 3 accountant, number 4 HR supervisor, number 5 store supervisor, number 6 front office receptionist. Please send your CVs. Email irshad@masterclass.pk and info@masterclass.pk. Merchandiser and quality auditor required for a USA based liaison. Office must possess 5 years experience of a factory. Send your updated CV and photo at textile sourcing world and gmail.com. Faisal_advertiser and @live.com. Required experience computer operator cum outdoor assistant/supervisor, aged/retired. Preferred email Fazle Kareem, FAZALE Kareem KAREM 786@gmail.com. अच्छा जी, रिसेप्शनिस्ट/टेली की जॉब है। रियल एस्टेट बिल्डर्स रिक्वायर्ड रिसेप्शनिस्ट, फीमेल फॉर ऑफिस, अट्रैक्टिव सैलरी, फ्रेश एंड एक्सपीरियंस्ड. कॉन्टैक्ट 0300-2311-863, 0300-2311-863. तो जी, ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।